right, welcome to Whip Around and the Geotab integration. So first things first, this takes us to a high-level overview of our dashboard. With the integration, a couple high-level things is that we're going to pull in the asset location and mileage information. We can trigger maintenance reminders. We can also notify any of our customers that have an asset moving without an inspection being performed. Nice thing about pushing over the mileage is going to be go ahead and notifying us of any of those services that are coming due. Within our inspections module, you can create any different type of a custom form that you have for any of the assets that you would need. From here, we have a template library. You can go in and view all of our forms. By viewing all of our forms, you're able to select these, use any templates that you would like to. We do have English and Spanish as well, if you have any Spanish-speaking drivers. Once the drivers perform any inspections, what happens, they may trigger a defect. When triggering a defect, it'll populate in your defects module. By going into your defects module, we'll be able to see the exact item that your driver went ahead and notated as having an issue. We can see here that they have a picture of a flat tire. If you were using our maintenance feature, what you're able to do is then create a work order. By creating a work order, you can go ahead and see any other services that you might want to add to your specific work order. You can choose whether it be the vendors, mechanics, or third parties and assign that to any mechanics that you would like. And then they'll be notified a work order has been assigned to them. Going directly into that work order, you're able to go in here and you're able to apply any parts directly to this. So if you want to keep up with any costs on your assets, really simple to go ahead and click in. I wanted to add some tires. It applies the cost directly to it. I can see how much it's going to cost me total, and I can complete that work order at any point in time I have. And being that's tied to an inspection, I can sign off on it from the DOT compliance side of things. We also have the ability to go in there and view the inspection history. So any of the inspections I want to go ahead and take a look at, I can simply see every little checkpoint that they went through. If you have any pictures that you're requiring your drivers to take, it'll go ahead and do so. It's really simple. When we go ahead and complete those work orders as well, it's going to go ahead and tie cost to assets. So I can really simply see if I want to look at this, I can see any asset, how much money I've been spending on it. I can go into the high level details to click in. I can see every work order, the $59,314.27 I've spent on that asset. I can go into all of my completed work orders, look at this from any period of time. Really simple to see. If you do have your vendor set up in the system and you want to apply any parts or work orders directly to them, you can go ahead and notate that. We can also run reports based on vendors and see how much money that you're spending on them. When it does come down to reporting, everything we have can be scheduled report. Everything in the platform will get it sent directly over to you. Take a look at Whip Around, see if it's going to make sense for you. I think it will. Thanks.